Standard 6, Subject General Science, Lesson number 4, Disaster Management. Students, in last lecture, we learned the point disaster, types of disasters, some of the examples of disaster, then occurrence of disaster, some important disaster like earthquake, floods, storm, and forest fires. Today we are going to learn about disaster management. Before that, I am again explaining the definition of disaster. What is disaster? Disaster is the sudden event that causes large-scale damage to life, property, and social aspects of a nation and a society. Disasters are of two types, natural and man-made. So today we are going to learn about disaster management. Community participation and disaster management are closely related. Taking steps to prevent disasters, making plans to face disasters, and developing the capacity of that is called disaster management. To prevent or reduce damage caused by natural or man-made disaster, emergency planning and management is required. What is disaster management? Taking right steps to prevent disasters, making plans to face disasters, and developing the capacity for that is called disaster management. Some information about disaster is given, that is Institute at Work. The National Disaster Management Authority was established in 2005. It undertakes planning and implementation of disaster management work. During a disaster, helping and supporting each other is our moral responsibility. Whenever such kind of disaster, either it is a natural disaster or man-made disaster, but we should always keep help or support to each other. It is our moral responsibility. Some of the contact number for disaster management are given here. First one is a police. You can dial 100 number for emergency service of police. For fire brigade, you can dial 101 number. For ambulance, you can call 102 to call ambulance. And for disaster management, you can call on number 108. Next point, remedial and preventive measures. Remedial and preventive measures. Let us see what precautions we can take before or in the event of a natural or man-made disaster. अब हम देखेंगे जब भी कोई नेचुरल और मैन-मेड डिजास्टर आता है तब हमें क्या करना चाहिए. फर्स्ट वन, keep watching TV and radio news and bulletins to get latest information about disaster. Use battery operated radios and mobiles. Why battery operated is given? Because if electric current is fail or it is failure, so at that time we can use battery cells to run the radios and mobile phones. Third one, heed the warnings issued by the Meteorological Department of India carefully. Fourth one, use the website www.imd.gov.in. IMD stands for Indian Meteorological Department. Fifth one, landslides occur in hilly areas due to a cloudburst or heavy rains. On such occasions, do not take shelter at the foot of a hill. जहाँ पे भी बड़े पहाड़ होते हैं, उन पहाड़ के नीचे हमें अपना घर नहीं बनाना है. बिकॉज जब पहाड़ के जो कुछ स्लाइड्स गिरते हैं, कुछ हिस्सा गिरता है, तो सीधे हमारे घर पर आ सकता है. सिक्स्थ वन, ड्यूरिंग फ्लड्स डू नॉट लिंगर इन हाउसेस और एरियाज ऑन अ रिवर बैंक्स. Seek shelter in other safe places. मूव टू सेफर प्लेसेस एट अ ग्रेटर हाइट। जब भी बाढ़ आती है, मतलब कि हेवी रेनफॉल की वजह से जो फ्लड आता है, तो उस टाइम पर हमें उस जगह पर जाना नहीं है। देन अगर वहां पर कोई रहता है तो उन्हें वहां से सेफ प्लेसेस पर मूव करना है, शिफ्ट करना है। डू नॉट स्टेप इनटू द वाटर करंट्स और ड्राइव अ व्हीकल इनटू देम। बारिश के भारी पानी में हमें कोई भी तरह का व्हीकल, चाहे वो साइकिल हो, मोटरसाइकिल हो या कार हो, वो वहां पे चलाना नहीं है। सेवेंथ वन, ड्यूरिंग एन अर्थक्वेक रोड स्प्लिट ओपन, द ग्राउंड क्रैक्स, रेलवे ट्रैक्स गेट uprooted. Hence, when moving from one place to another, ensure that the road is safe further on. जब भी अर्थक्वेक आता है तो अर्थक्वेक क्या करता है, उसकी वजह से जमीन कट सकती है, उसमें क्रैक्स आ सकते हैं। तो जब भी हम बाहर जाने वाले हैं, मेक श्योर द रोड इज सेफ। एट वन, टेक शेल्टर in relief camps as they provide medicines, food packets, drinking water and first aid. Ninth one, to get protection from fire, use fire extinguishers in public places like schools, hospitals, railway stations, etc. जब भी कोई जगह पर आग लगती है, फायर आती है, तो उस जगह पर हमने क्या यूज करना चाहिए, फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर्स। ओके, सम ऑफ द इंफॉर्मेशन और द पिक्चर्स अबाउट द disasters are given here. This is the picture that is of fire extinguisher, remedial and preventive measures. Now students, we learn about the next part of the lesson, that is first aid. In day-to-day life, sometimes we have to face disasters or accidents of varying proportions. On such occasions, it is necessary to give some immediate aid even before medical treatment becomes available. That is called first aid.